Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. Today I wanted to share an experience which I just had in a healthy living workshop organized by Dr. Jinendra Jain. Now, we all know that healthy living is a journey and never a destination, and there is no end to learning. So, I keep joining such workshops and programs. Now, in this program, apart from other things which I learned, the most striking was a concept which kind of again it was like a disruption in the belief system that we have, and that concept was that we have been made to believe or forced to believe that food is the only source of energy. So I repeat that we have been mistuned, or we have been forced to believe that food is the only source of energy. And a simple logic would just thrash this idea. We don't need any scientific research, we don't need any scientific explanations or technical presentations to argue on this point. And the point that Dr. Jain puts was that we are made from the elements of nature. We are made from five elements of nature: heat, water, air, earth, and space. So, if we are made from them, can't we draw energy from them? Can't these things give energy to us? It is as simple as that. Obviously, if we are made from these, then we can definitely draw energy from these sources as well, and do not depend only on food for energy. So, after this program, I have made certain lifestyle changes. Now, how can we draw energy from heat, that is the sun, or air, or water? These are the simplest things. So, there are three habits which I have developed after this program. That is, first is to draw energy from the sun. The best way to do is to do it, go in front of the sun, and if nothing else, the ideal would be some exercises or some Surya Namaskars. And if nothing else, you can just do some sun gazing, and that gives me a lot of energy throughout the day. That is one part where you can draw energy from the sun. Then it is air. Now that is pretty simple for all of us. We can do some breathing exercises, and many forms of pranayam. Kapalbhati is one, Anulom Vilom is one, and there are many such pranayams which we can do, which will energize us and give us energy for the rest of the day. And then water. A simple thing like a cold water bath in the morning, early in the morning, as soon as you wake up. If you have a cold water bath, and by bath I do not mean that it has to be a complete shower, even just a mug of water on the entire body part will do the magic. It just energizes your body for the rest of the day. Try using these three tips which I have incorporated after doing Dr. Jain's program, and it has definitely given me a new source of energy, and the level of energy throughout the day is even more than what I had earlier. So this is a simple concept, and there are such simple concepts here and there that we learn becomes a game changer in our lives, and this is one such game changer. Food is not the only source of energy, and we can draw energy from all the sources of nature. Try these three simple tips. Of course, do learn the techniques of how we can do these things before applying it in your lives. There are other videos, and it's the procedure is available on the net. And then only try it, but do try it. Do your homework before doing it, and give it a try, and then you see the shift of energy in your day-to-day activities that you do. Great guys, thanks a lot for listening and watching. Until we meet again, be healthy, be happy, and be safe. Thank you so much.